So recently we've been putting out a lot of really good chicken content, and we've never had a brand deal before, but we had a company reach out to us, some of their products, so they can get our honest review. How does it work with the chickens? What could we improve on it? But let's open this package and see what we got inside. I think this is available on Amazon, but we'll give all that description here in the future. This is Roosty's flock armor, and it's got some chili and oregano in there. Got some herbs in there. It looks like 16% protein, 8% fat. There's fiber and some omega-3 fatty acids in there. They're billing this as used daily for full flock gut balance and vital health. Shake before use. Store in a cool, dry space. Chili flakes, flax seeds, some oregano, garlic powder, some capsaicin from peppers. Yeah, let's see what's up as we open this. And then this is the pound bag. Oh, I gotta shake before use, excuse me. I wanna use that on, like, not only feed it to the chickens, but use it as a chicken barbecue. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Oh wow, that's spicy. That was a mistake. Yeah.
So have you ever fed to the chickens anything this fancy?
We free range our chickens, and so they have access to whatever they want, but I've never given my chickens something this fancy and condensed, all the stuff that they would be looking for in the environment. But no, this is exciting. This looks good. And I hope that the chickens enjoy it too. So we're gonna, it says mix 1 pouch into a 50-pound bag of feed, and then feed as normal. So it's really like an additive to the supplemental feed that we're already giving our chickens. So I think it'll go well. It's in a nice bag, you know, and I'm excited to give this to the chickens. I hope they're excited about it too. Yeah, let's go mix it. So I think it'd be best to mix it in this container. Add a little feed, add a little flock armor. I guess we could put it in the bag and shake the bag around, but having a trash can makes it easy, I think. So we're gonna mix this with the Performance livestock feed. We really like this. We've been buying for a long time. It comes from local farmers. It's not organic, but you know, I guess we could talk about the organic scam in another video. But this thing is like as close to local as you could possibly get. They have a feed mill that's like a half hour from me. They're big in Martinsville, Henry County. I have a huge operation. Years ago, they invested like 14 million to expand their production facility. So it's a big production. And a lot of that feed that you're buying at Tractor Supply, Rural King, these other places, comes from Performance Livestock Feed. You're just paying a little upcharge for the Tractor Supply name. But it's a great value, and maybe I shouldn't be shouting them out because like I don't want their prices to go up because it's super affordable. And we like, so I'm gonna dump a little bit in here. Dump a little bit of this Roosty's flock armor. What's up, chickens? You want some of this flock armor? It's a really cool product. There's a lot of like nutrient density in there. And I noticed that when I stuck the scoop out there for the chickens, you could see the cayenne flakes, the flock armor, you could see that in the feed. I guess I didn't mix it well enough, but the part that they went for was not the feed pellet, but the flock armor itself. So I think that that is a resounding endorsement from the chickens. Whether or not the chickens benefit from it, we will have to like do some more control testing over time, see that. But I think they like it. It's great packaging, a lot of density in that product. And I'm just thankful that they thought of us and wanted to feed it to our chickens because it looks really top quality. So a lot of these additives are proven from a lot of chicken owners. A lot of folks say that in the wintertime, when your chickens kind of stop laying eggs, to feed them some cayenne pepper or make sure that there's some heat in their diet. And the thought is that that increases blood flow and gives more eggs in a time when they, you know, might be more otherwise dormant. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's definitely something that's been added to this feed. And I think that that's the reason, is to get their blood flowing. And we know that the more blood flow, the more oxygen, the more movement around the body, that all comes from probably a little bit of that heat. So yeah, these ingredients are proven and tested in other chicken flocks. So I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be good to add to your backyard chicken flock. Really the only thing that we've added to our chicken feed is one, the pasture and the free ranging ability, and two, we sometimes will add like eggshells or diatomaceous earth or like crushed, oyster shells to give more grit into the diet. But this is something new for us. We haven't added a lot of cayenne pepper, a lot of garlic powder, a lot of these ingredients that are in the flock armor. So this is new for us, and I'm excited to see what's up. But it looks like it's all natural. Chili flakes, flaxseed, oregano, garlic powder, capsaicin. This is just a really dense offering of what we do on a free ranging scale. If they wanted to go into the garden and eat the chili flakes, they could do that, or eat the chili peppers, or the oregano growing, or bee balm, whatever they have access to. But this is just like the density of this is something that I could see would be really, really good for backyard chicken flocks in like stationary coops, particularly where they might not be getting those nutrients that they would get from free ranging. But even for the free range chicken, more protein, more fat, more fiber, more moisture, more omega-3 fatty acids. How can that really be a bad thing when you're adding it in density? So I think it's cool. I think it has a place in the market, and I'm excited to be given this product to review and share with you guys. So we're thankful to be a part of this flock armor partnership. We don't do a lot of these, and this is probably the first one, but we're not going to gatekeep information or gatekeep a product that might be of some benefit to the backyard chicken owner. This is what we're about. We're not about gatekeeping information too. That's why we've got a lot of free resources. If you comment coop below, we'll make sure that we drop all that free information straight to your inbox. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for hopefully more product reviews that benefit chickens and benefit sustainable homesteading all across the nation. Check us out, sustainablehomestead.com. Come see us in person in Ridgeway, Virginia. We'll be happy to show you around and show you the process that we're using to make the highest quality produce for ourselves and our family.